Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to harvest and save lettuce seed from your garden. Here's a clip from the show. And then the other seeds that I want to collect is the lettuce. So if you take a look at this guy right here, you can see that we're 90% open and blossoming. If we were to get a wind in here, this would blow all my seeds away. So it does need a little more time to mature. So what I'm going to do is just cut that stalk off, and then I'm going to put it in a pillowcase. So this whole thing can finish maturing and ripening those seeds while in the pillowcase, and then I don't lose the seeds to the wind, or they don't shatter and fall on the ground. So these three are ready to go. This one's not ready, and these ones are not ready. We only got a few blossoms open. I want to wait till it turns mostly white. And that's all the more mature seeds. So what we'll do is we'll keep adding to the pillowcase on different weeks as these get ripe. Always be sure to put a tag in here to tell you what this is. So this will say firecracker, put the date on it, because you have 5 or 6 pillowcases down the line, you don't know what's what, and you just want to be sure that you tag that. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 16. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.